Learn self-hypnosis for free. Do you know the power of your subconscious mind? Do you know how your subconscious mind is being programmed? Do you know the subconscious mind is 99% of our total mind power? Now, subconscious mind can only be programmed easily, effortlessly and consciously only through self-hypnosis. So my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal, teaching hypnosis for last 43 years to the top level sportsman, top level executive, including myself. I practice every day to reprogram my subconscious mind to achieve what I want. So my friend, I am conducting a physical workshop, means offline workshop in my office in Hyderabad, evening workshop, 2.5 hour workshop on self-hypnosis, which is free, where you will learn what self-hypnosis is, how the mind works, what is the difference between conscious mind and subconscious mind, and you will learn the power of your imagination, how imagination works a big role. And then you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis instantly and program your mind and come out. Everything can be done in 1 minute, my friend. It's a very advanced but very powerful, simple technique which you will be learning in the workshop. Plus you will learn how to program your subconscious mind using powerful affirmations and visualization, and then you will learn how to change your belief. And the most important thing which you will learn in the workshop is sometimes affirmation doesn't work. There is some very special technique you are going to learn how to reprogram your subconscious mind consciously. So my friend, if you are really interested in attending this free workshop in Hyderabad, call us on the link below or go to my website and register right now and see you on my workshop. And it's an evening workshop, 2.5 hour workshop, which is totally free. Again I repeat, totally free. If you're really serious, then only you register. Otherwise don't call and don't waste our time and your time. So see you on the workshop in my office. Thank you very much.